Courageous, stronger, faster, and respected by our foes. Admiration of the nation, our determination shows. We're the pride of South Australia, where the mighty Adelaide grows. We give our best from coast to coast, where the story will be told. As we fight the rugged battles, the flag will be our goal. Our skill and nerve will see us through, our commitment never grows. We're the pride of South Australia, where the mighty Adelaide grows. Yes, the pride of South Australia, where the mighty Adelaide